Process execution. Yes. I do that back in the years. I will get that. If you fail to plan, you are planning to
fail.
Yes. Athomithio orocio ni murimu wetagwo Gonda. Tugithoma journalism and public relations. Yes. On a senior lecturer. Yes. They are planning planning to fail.
Planning to fail or failing to plan?
Failing to plan ni ni hale wale mwari todo mundu wothe at the level you are at o mundu especially adu arwo ngoro rwa okugwa ituri o mundu ni akorwo na the limit of fantasy. Yes. Limit ya fantasy yaku atiriri tari wekihiri you had crazy fantasies yariri gari ya megate ngiuke hurane na ya soda. That would be the Yes, that is your fantasy limit. Ona ni waro taka we factory ni ya megate ogwete kuri eri
factory ya megate.
Yes. Kanoge si yore itagire nyugita mayo kori itagire ko ni soda. Until you grew up and realized you cannot even take 3 soda.
Ona igere ne kwerigereria.
Mundu muri ni aguthaga igire. Ni maguthaga Coca-Cola igire ukaigua ndeke aba. Na fantasies iria kuringana na uragia kindu gitawo
exposure.
Yes. He mundu ukire o akauga ati na mundu othe na ko level yo kwi me level yo kwi me ino egi mundu uga atiri igenyita ngirigana limwe
igana oguo
muthuro akwa ni wacenjia
kaimana
uthigana na gukuringi nie ni ndakura. Yes. Everyone has their level. Nginya rĩrĩa ũkũnyita ngiri ku
igana rĩu rĩmwe.
Yes. Wacere huro ũndũ menya arĩa katia
rĩgĩthira.
Yes. Hau niho wamba ku heal ukauga ni maigana ti nyingi gũndĩrageragia kwĩra Messi
igana ti rĩingĩ ũrĩa ndeciragia.
Yes. Ũkanyita ithangũ igano. Yes.
Ati ngiri ĩmwe guo ndarĩ igana.
Yes. Ukambia kugeria nginya igikombora mugunda tuta wa mwena omwe ndania. Yes. Nĩ kwa mathabu andu mekithagio ni andu ya mara ya to scam. Ukerwo ungihanda kinari kiuma ciringi 10 ungihanda itina ngiri 10.
Yes.
Icio nĩ milioni cigana. Katani ekitwo guo kuria na rekia ngare na iro je utithio ni Sangida
murato ria witu mukabi wetagwo Sangida.
Yes. Akirwo mboga emwe ya kabici ile ndio ciringi
25.
Yes. Handa ngiri. Yes.
Wina bia cigana?
Icio ni cigana?
Ngiri 25.
Yes. Kombora mugunda uciande cie ngiri
5.
Kata atura ku kimera giki hana ta cia burandi thoko nginya gikira post ya kunyanya thirikari. You see, exposure in this life helps you overcome your
fantasies.
Yes. Oka mau haiga no kauga atiri ingiona mau
ikia matano
ni uguo. Yes.
Nie ndaumira
ndio ukona matano kauga atiri kenjokanirie kamucie rugongo. Yes. Matano maeka hefu
agatirikite
kauga hey Kaya kurika na nyuko ya kwira gutire mbeca ke
gutire mbeca nini
gutire nini na gutire nyingi. Yes. Kaya hey matano mothe
mathirira haha.
Yes. Na ndure handu wa maria raha riu ukambatia ngenyita rucangi
riu ngihura rucangi ri
iruru
rucangi ni mita.
Yes. Nyamba ndigirire kawandenga kaukuagira andu iria bas This life always deals you blows. Na nikiondo matoga ni undu wa kwamba reality riu areporo na wone liwa mami ni reality reality kwera pulo
ugakinya hau ukauga ha
yes
ni huyo mimi
nado nao ni oru magigwa no agia kindu ta ngiri mana America na matano makwiroragiro guo akabimi kada kauga get ready 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 you get it you don't get it forget about it makwirorera ukiroria ndonyo ni icagini yes
makamenya wegurania
yes
kombora ngari biũ
ihoria jesi giana andu marakuhurira andu aria urenda kuhura get ready
akago no cio rauga wapewe sana
niwe ucio athie kuonio migunda ya miradi reality kwira
ulo
radio gotono twananyita tubeza tatu those days no kauga isi kwaje ukagia mundu ukwira family ni yanyu atiri
umenye gukuti mundu wananyita mbeca ta iriku mbeca ta icio ni wa mbere kunyita guku
yes
twi hamwe
wakiibia mutwai
thoguo mukuru uyu wonaga ri
yes
tondu ni woneka ate bia guku ri
athirita ri anairwo ngiri 87 no na wina kiamau
riu ukimenya guku
yes and you know money will excite you until it is at 25% of the original
amount
nalo na kinyanyori munene
cia ndu murajita
atiriri Puratuni yaku ya ukuragira eko kamutararia na mere thiko ici and you know when that happens mostly you relocate leo ni mundu mwoka akarehe uhoro uciare dia musonire
mundu rae na mita muthenya ungi
arathambia ngari haria Tanas oneraigire kaosi ya ndu squad kakwe bia nyingi na augete uko no ahikeiretwe itu othe
na riu conclusion ya andu aingi maigua tawathiribire ri
yes
is associated with alcohol
yes
and women
alcohol women yani na njia fupi yale mambo mlikuwa mkiyasoma shule yanaitwa raha na
anasa
koja anasa ni iweka you know anasa is a very general word wajaru yokero
sadunia one to you
yes
ukono watigire guthie kanitha
yes and you know people have no chills meo kurati ona kugurira nyuku akagombe ezo tigana na ngombe itiraririo wega mitandao-ini na ari mukagua kagombe kamwe you relocate because you will get pressure yes the pressure does not decrease
tulipotelea kwa raha
ananasa za dunia ukaikano ya wadika insha naso raha na anasa za dunia zikampotosha
Karameni
kakasema alipoingilia pombe na anasa Au nio wow thera mbeca urucia thirari niguo ririkana wakaina kitigani kitanitega na Yesu mwokozi wangu ni pombe.
Hapana,
nimekataa
kabisa.
Ni walebo.
Hapana, nimekataa kabisa.
No, this world is very unforgiving. It is brutal. Yes. So, when you're talking about your fantasies, have a plan. Have a plan.
A clear plan.
Very clear. And execute it immediately. As you're the best, you would have got maya. Imeri nike murauga haruruke na guku naro ko harurukagie mboga mumba eyo you have to have a plan. Yes,
and execute it.
Yes,
immediately.
Kwa sababu raha na anasa
za dunia
ndio unazionaga hazikuwa mambo ya vitabu.
Ni ukweli.
Ni ukweli uliomo.
Kweli kabisa.
Kwanza kwa wanaume. Mundu medahikaga. Na ni waga inariua. Na tuli utana. Na Baraka Mwishene ndiye akiga sisi wanaume tuna moyo wa huruma. Yes.
Na mundu nake na ciringi ndarigaga.
Yes. Mundu na ciringi ri. Ni vigumu kuficha. Oh, there are those seasoned maisas
who are very few.
They are there. Especially a generation that is on its way out yako hatigon.
Ni kuri andu no moe kunyitia ciringi.
Yes.
Ona no ndungitua kindu.
Muigua muthuri cio agakura. Angauka mukaigua tiga milioni magana maya.
Meri mebia.
Na rari ai ndathire ucuru.
Na githeri kia murugaru.
Na karara. Niketi mundu we ime. Uri wena ciikara take.
Nacio.
No ri otari aramatekeria nake
nakio
gikure fatani ukurane uraria magethai kana mbeu tondu kanua karia kaire mbeu no gokoragia ngaha
ndaki.
That is motivational talk.
Direka kuona project eburadetwa Vision 2030.
I think I don't even think we will do what do you call this thing when you reach somewhere and you now start talking about how far are we.
Commemoration
gucoka maratathi-inĩ twĩyũria atĩrĩrĩ maũndũ marĩa twaugire
nĩ tũhingĩtie.
Yes, because I'm sure we are not even 50-60%.
No tugithakira between 50 and 60 how
50 and 60 tondu kwari millennium iria cietagwo icio ingĩ
Millennium Development Goals.
Yes, ciarema rĩ ũgĩkwo Vision 2030.
Oguo thaa ici tũbatiĩ kũhagĩra mũnyonyo ũngĩ.
And Africa has a vision what?
Vision
Africa nĩ ndaiha ndaihu
anga nĩ nene we.
Yes, ndio.
Oguo tũigĩrĩre mũnyonyo ũngĩ 2030 ĩtanakinya.
Tũkĩre guo twanjie Vision 2070.
Ya Africa ĩtagwo Africa Vision 2063.
Ayo iharaihu. Okay. What are the goals?
It was created by African Union to guide the continent. Prosperity and peace and unity. Sounds like a canoe.
Very shallow. It sounds like a Nyayo philosophy. No, they give all those years to. No, you see, peace is something we can achieve even in under a year if we just put our minds to it.
No, it is easier said than done.
What I am saying is, if the key players and stakeholders back down, which they might not, nekio maya to hida reu makoro mahuroka.
Goals in nyingi cia.
Aria matuthura bara na aria mabenefita nacio ri makoro matengurio tu ikinya. You see? Ana masira maya makiri yari. Method ya maya kugaya indo.
Ma succession.
Yes. Rimwe igoti ni rekururagia. Maigwa key play ore orare has told me.
Hardliner.
The hardliner ri mwaka wa 96 woturo. Makugwa siro cio tungi udire miaka iri ri.
No akorwo eteka kuria.
Oyo agethi sayuni ri.
Tira no wage ajira.
Tira no wage ake.
Wage ajira.
Egwezi. Rosi aria matuthura bara ni moekaini. Na mathi mone aria macha mathondekire these
Africa Vision 2063.
Makemenya andu acio ri matingekinyia miaka iri.
Matingekinyia 2063.
Ni mago mama.
Ogo nĩ twakorwo twa achieve peace.
Yes. I will actually achieve it naturally. Tata utira tukiaria muno tondu atuthoria ngui
na acogeri
ni mathire iherero. Eto matingigithi matuini.
Hau ndungihota kumenya.
Asa you know ma tukidwe ni tuigurani ya mehia na wega. Dautina akiwa ndakura ngimenya wega nao
na uru
ni tondu gukireba eura ithagia andu ni wega kweri andu acio matangirira ri.
The Africa Vision 2063.
Yes.
Kwina economic development, social development.
Yeah, those ones are realistic.
Kwina nginya horo wa nutrition hau ha social development.
Our problems are basic. And we are the richest continent in the world, resource-wise.
Tolari horo wa nutrition. Education, infrastructure,
education, infrastructure, right?
Environment.
Yes.
Governance, establish democratic institution and practices.
How ni mekuongerera miaka?
How ni maguthia na mbere?
How to 63. Makinye 85.
Ekira star how?
Ekira star. Kurura how?
Security. To preserve peace and security and create African peace and security architecture. How ekira jata?
How he jata? Yes.
Culture.
Peace ni twamba twa address. Atuthuri a ngui makorwo me sakaibote.
Culture. Promote Pan-Africanism and African cultural heritage.
That one we can even do it tomorrow. That one should not wait that long.
Economic development, creating jobs, increasing productivity, transform economies.
Yes. We are creating jobs. Every government comes with a promise of 500,000 jobs.
How we can dash. Continue.
Continue. Yes.
Education. Education.
Yes.
Improve access to education and skills development. How kururira?
Kururira, Yes. Reke tuga ni murenda akuhera ira wira muingi.
Koromane mama ira mare.
Hey, ni mugira muri to heiria wira. This is too much work. It is your DM.
Atire na hanga.
Bana. Atire ni toboe. Niseme.
Na atire na nadiko.
No tigire mundu ucio wa Djibouti.
Nima.
Kurumanie naguo.
Raila ni angirakire na wira muingi.
Ucio wa Djibouti kurumanie naguo. Muthuri witu ni mutunogia mukumunogia muno.
Now you know there's Africa Vision 2063.
Yes.
That is how many years away?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
But when we are in that, it will be 33 plus 5.
Yeah,
38 years. No, we will still be around.
Miaka 38 kuma umuthi.
Wakorwo kuo. Tutiago tukiuga riu ri. No tugakorwo kuo.
Miaka 38 no tugakorwo tukiaria horo wa nutrition.
Aiko miaka-inĩ ĩno vision ĩno ya craftirwo no twa discovery nginya no tũrĩa thoni meroni rĩ tũgakorwo tũmenyete maũndũ. Vision 2063 Australia akorwo kĩndũ mongerere 38
nĩ agakorwo matura nguru.
Atonya akoragio nĩũramenya ũyũ no agatemanagia tugo ta cũcũ wa Ndirangu. Mũndũ njũĩ akũrarĩte managia tugo ta cũcũ wa Ndirangu nĩ Gathuki.
Ona Njogu angĩaga kũrorwo wega rĩ.
Ona Njogu be a very rudimentary old man.
Angĩaga kũrorwo wega.
Yaĩta nayo
tukiuga nĩ ku achieve Vision 2063 ya Africa rĩ.
Ona wakĩrũmba akinyia mĩaka ĩyo rĩ ndakaga tugo. Ya no gĩtũigai one the new Africa. Oh yes,
2063
as was fought for by our forefathers, the likes of Kwame Nkrumah, Emile Lumumba, Jomo Kenyatta. Yes. Ahmed Ahmed Ben Bella, the Pan-Africanists. Yes. Pio Gama Pinto. Yes. No maũndũ matheke bado muge maũndũ ma no. No, Kwame Nkrumah would be surprised at this. Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere would be surprised at maũndũ marĩa maragia.
No mo turatanya by 2063
Steve Biko would be alarmed.
No Marigo kamatigĩire ha.
Dedan Kimathi would turn in his grave.
Ngai agĩtũteithie. Na ithuĩ ndio ta bũrũri twakorwo na vision kĩ.
But you know, when you set a vision, you don't set it within yourselves. You set it for the generations to come. Nikiona akũrũ makĩhanda mĩtĩ ĩrĩa matakĩũĩ kĩgunyĩ-inĩ gĩake
kĩayo.
Yes. That is wisdom. Yes.
Africa Vision 2063.
Viva Africa, viva! Amandla! Yes.